Hello everybody, I'm Franco Lania with HomeTowne Television. I'm your greengrocer. I'm very excited to share with you today some beautiful beets that we picked up at the Summit local farmers market. I want to show you the difference though between a good beet and a beet that's not so good. What you want to look for when getting a beet is beets that have no blemishes. As you can see, this beet has some blemishes. I purposely picked this to show you what not to buy. In comparison to this other red beet, you can see the difference. We're going to make a mixed beetroot salad consisting of red onion, feta cheese, a little Jerez vinegar, and olive oil. The clincher to this recipe is we're going to roast these on the grill outside. It's autumn. It's still beautiful out. The grill is still rocking. We're going to go outside and rock these on the grill. This is a wonderful salad. It can go with anything grilled. So here we go. Number one, we cut and we hold these aside. The stem, like so. I'm going to show you now how to appropriately wrap these for the grill. You have a roasting tray. We have a nice big piece of tin foil. On the tin foil, we're going to add just a little bit of kosher salt, a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to place the beets inside. Once the beets are inside, we're going to drizzle it with a little bit more olive oil, not too much, and a tad bit, just a little bit, of water. Why are we adding water? To create some steam, so the beets will steam and roast nicely. These are sealed nicely. We're ready for the grill. Okay, these beets have been roasting now for about 45 minutes. We're going to test them. And if they pierce nicely, we know they're done. We're going to go inside and finish making our beetroot salad. Poke them in, take them out, feel it. They're hot all the way through. And as you can see, it pierced nicely. The juices are running onto the fork nicely. We're done. Okay, so now the beets have roasted nicely. They've cooled down. I can handle them with my hand, which is a good thing. They're absolutely perfect. We need about a half of a red onion. Very simple. We cut the onion in half. Beautiful Greek feta cheese. We have ourselves some nice uniform cuts. Okay, so now we're going to cut the beets. We have our cutting board nicely wrapped with the parchment paper to keep it from dying. We have ourselves a nice thin knife. We're going to cut that end off. The shape and manner in which you cut them is up to you. I like them diced, so I'm going to cut them like so, into about 3, including the candy stripe beet. When we come back, we'll compose our salad. Okay, now we've diced all our beets. Inside our bowl, we have all the recipe. Inside here, we have the candy stripe beets, the red beets, the feta cheese, and the thinly sliced red onion. This is going to be delicious. Now, quite simply, we're going to add just a little bit of bud chives, which we also picked up at the Summit Farmers Market. Absolutely beautiful. We're going to add just a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Right there. Okay. Next, we're basically going to add the seasoning and the vinaigrette. Very simple. Kosher salt. This is all to taste now. Black pepper. You see how I'm doing it? About 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. A knife's point, and I literally mean it, this is the secret ingredient, of some cinnamon. Not much more than a knife's point. Next, we have some beautiful Jerez vinegar. If you don't like Jerez vinegar, if you have a vinegar that you like your own favorite vinegar, use what you like. This is Jerez. About 2 tablespoons, and quite simply, 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. There you go. The chives, the different colored fall beets. We are good to go. And here you have it, people. Here is your fall beetroot salad. Now back to the studio.